labor service they had to join at the age of 18. Then they had to serve in the armed forces. After this labor service, they had to serve in armed forces and enter one of the Nazi organization. It was compulsory. It was mandatory for all youths that they had to join at least one Nazi organization. Then the Youth League of the Nazis was founded in 1922. 4 years later, it was renamed Hitler Youth. In 1922, a Youth League was founded. This league was renamed as Hitler Youth, about which I have discussed in the previous paragraph. To unify the youth movement under Nazi control, all other youth organizations were systematically dissolved and finally banned. Or to unify means to make unity among all, means connect all the youth movements under Nazi control. All other youth organizations were dissolved and banned in Nazi mm, mm, Germany. Okay. Beta, this is the 4.1 unit, the Nazi cult of motherhood. In this, we will learn about what policy did he adopt against women. Okay, so in Nazi Germany, all the children were told that women were radically different from men. They are different from men. The fight for equal rights for men and women that had become part of democratic struggles everywhere was wrong. Means equality between men and women. This was the concept which was popularized during the democratic struggle. It is a wrong concept and it would destroy society if equality between men and women would be established. So definitely it will become the cause of destruction of society. The boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel hearted, where the girls were told that they had to become good mothers and rear pure blooded आर्यन चिल्ड्रेन. जहाँ एक तरफ लड़कों को आपका मैस्कुलिन, अग्रेसिव और स्टील हार्टेड बनने की शिक्षा दी गई, ऑन द अदर हैंड गर्ल्स को क्या कहा गया, दैट दे हैव टू finally they have to become a good mother and they have to rear and nurture the pure blood Aryan children. Girls had to maintain the purity of race. This is the responsibility of the women and the girls to maintain purity of race. For this purpose, they have to distance themselves from Jews. Means they have to maintain a distance from the all Jews. Look after the home. They have to take care of their household activities and teach their children Nazi values. This was a duty given to the women. They had to be the bearers of the Aryan culture and race. Means they only can be the bearer or the holder of, they can only hold the this responsibility to culture and rear the uh, Aryan color, to maintain and conserve the Aryan culture and race. This was the responsibility of the women. In 1933, he said, in my state, the mothers is the most important citizen. Uh, this was a statement by Hitler given in 1933. But practically in Nazi Germany, all mothers were not treated equally.